Hello and welcome. In this training, I'll be showing you how to activate and use Excel data form to perform data entry. But before I show you that, let's see how it works. I already have my data form activated and on my quick access toolbar. First of all, you need to select a cell close to your database. Then you just click on the data form. You have it here. From the data form, I have two entry. That's two rows of data. And I can add new, delete, find the previous, find next, set a criteria, and close. If I click on the new, I'm given a blank space to enter new data. Right. So this is what I'll be showing you in this training. First, how to activate and how to use each and every one of this feature right here. So let's go into the training. Welcome back. First, you need to activate the data form. And to do that, we'll activate it on our quick access toolbar. You click on this drop down, this customize quick access toolbar arrow. Click on it, then you click on more commands. Now, check out for commands not in ribbon. Click on this arrow, then select the command not in ribbon. Then we'll search for the data form. I think it should be in F. Okay, yeah, look at it over here. Select it and add it to your quick access toolbar, then okay. And here you have it. So that's the first thing to do. You first of all activate the data form on your quick access toolbar for easy access. And when you're done, select a cell close to the database or any cell with data in it. Right, so I'll just select here and I'll click on the data form. Here we have it. Now it's showing me that we have we have four entry. We have four entries. So this is number one of the entry. So when you click on the next, it takes you to number two and you can see it for yourself. When you click on next, it takes you the number three data that has been entered. When you click on the next, the fourth one, you click on previous, takes you back, back, and back. Right. So that's what those two buttons will help you do. Now, if you want to add a new data, you just click on the new. So I would add another data, I'll say 6th of March 21. Then use your tab key to go to the next line, that's to the next column. Right, description will be DRP 01. Let's leave it at that. The amount is 75. The type, we'll use type 02. Category will be cat underscore 01. Subcategory sub 1002. The bank 01. We'll use bank 01 and status will be P. When you're done, you just click enter and you can see you have your data entered. Right. Okay, to delete, I'll just first of all find, you go to previous, maybe I want to delete this. Use the find to get to that data you want to delete, the record you want to delete on your database. So when you've gotten it, you just click on the delete. So this is the third entry, which is this one on line 8. So when I click on delete, you see it will ask me display record will be permanently deleted, and I'll OK it, and there you go, the record is deleted. Right. If you want to edit a data, you have to call the data up first. So maybe you just click on find the data you want to edit. So I'll find the data I want to edit. So let me say I want to edit this number 3 data, and I want to make this 1600. Now, while I'm editing, remember you can see the restore. If I don't want to edit again, I can just click on the restore button to take it back to its default details before I started editing. So I'll just click on restore and back, it goes back to its default details, right? So if I'm done, if I want to continue with the editing, I can just input 1850, then I will just, after you're done with it, you just click enter. When you're done with it, you can click enter. But if you don't want to continue with editing it, you can just click on restore. So maybe I just click enter, and you see the detail says 1850. Now the next thing I'll be showing us is how to find data based on specified criteria. And to do that, you click on your criteria, and I want to find data based on this date. Let me see, on the 5th slash 03 slash 2021. And okay, let me just use the date criteria. So when I've inputted, you can use more than one criteria. You can use date, you can use amount, you can use either even date or another of these criteria, or let me just say date and bank, or let me just leave it at one, date. Then I'll click on form. Now I'll now use the find previous and next to check if I have more than one records that meets the criteria I just specified. So as you can see, I have only one, and it's the third record, which is this. So that's why it's not moving. You can see still 3 or 4. So the third record met the criteria I specified, right? So that's how to also display records that meet the criteria you specify, right? So that's all about the data form. We've seen how to add new, delete, edit, and restore if you don't want to delete, how to find, display data that meets specified criteria. When you are done, you just click on close, right? So one thing again you need to know is that this data form will help you if you're working on a database that has a large columns of entry to make. Instead of scrolling from left to right, you just use your data form and make either you enter your data, you edit your data, you delete it, or you find a particular data with specified criteria, right? So this brings us to the end of this training. Do well to like this video, to share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more value tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.